Hi, I'm Charliann Manny. I'm currently 21 years old. My story begins when I was 3 years old, being a crazy kid, climbing on the top of the countertops and doing anything that a normal kid would do. Ever since my mom caught me climbing on the counter, she signed me up for gymnastics classes. Since I was a little girl to a sophomore in high school, gymnastics was my entire life. I had to give up every opportunity a normal kid would have. I didn't go to school dances. I didn't hang out with my friends. I worked out 20 hours a week with my team for 12 years every single day. So I gave up my childhood for a dream I was chasing. My career ended with an injury and I pursued professional dancing. I danced for the Philadelphia Soul Arena football team and also the 76ers dance team. We traveled and performed at places such as Madison Square Garden, and I loved being the center of attention. Finally, I had the opportunities to go to my high school prom and hang out with my friends and just live a life as a normal kid again. Not having a lot of friends growing up since I was always traveling was hard at times because I was the kid that everybody hated because I was fortunate growing up. I always had the newest and nicest things and people hated me for it. Being bullied in high school is hard and something that everybody will experience and go through. I've learned to stand my ground and not let anyone walk all over me. I don't believe in physical violence, but I will stand my ground when I know I'm right. Being raised in New Jersey and moving to Texas and studying at A&M Corpus Christi has impacted me as a person today. Currently, I'm studying in athletic training, earning my bachelor's in science because I love sports and I love helping people and taking care of people. I'm about to graduate in May of 2019. My goals are to go to PA school. I want to specialize in orthopedics. My athletic training background has led me to where I am today. I have a very strong personality. I love helping people and making them feel good about themselves. I'm very confident. I mean, I had no choice. When you're on the floor in a leotard and everybody's eyes are on you and it's your turn to perform, it's game on. You are the star of the show. Everyone was there to watch you perform and your teammates are counting on you. I make sure people turn their heads when I walk into the room. I'm not afraid of anyone or anything. You have to be open-minded and willing to take risks in this life. I know that I would rock the camera and everyone would fall in love with me. I'm funny, I'm very confident, and I know I'm the right one for this opportunity. I just wanted to take time and say thank y'all for this opportunity. It was very exciting and I can't wait to see what can come from this.